So how do we cut over 100 pieces of wood exactly the same? We've got all this cladding here to cut, and we want to do that quickly and efficiently and perfectly. And this is how we'll do it. It'll all start at the pile at the front. So we start by squaring up the ends, and I'm also sorting them into piles. So these ones here, I'm going to use for short pieces. Now, I'll take them to Ed, who's on the saw.
Then I take Rob's cut end and put them against our stop block. And add a 15-degree cut. And then just stack them on the pile with all the other cut ones. And before you know it, you've got 100.